Hello guys, in this video I will be adding to the system my new 5090. So this is 3090 with the custom EKWB water cooling block, and what I'm going to do is I should remove it from here, place here 5090 and move it here. It will be in this slot. So to do this in the water cooling system, I should first drain the liquid, and as I haven't changed the liquid since 2023, and now is 2025, so it's 2 years. I should have changed it a year ago, but you know, I just added I added some new radiator and I haven't changed it. So I will do it now, and no clotting or something happens when you have a clear liquid, I think. That's why I like it more than solid one. So let's start. So let's start. First, I will need some napkins, just in case. And second, I will be removing this plug. Yeah. So all the liquid will drain into the bottle, because you need to dispose the cooling liquid, because it is toxic for the environment. Even EKWB, because they say they are environmentally friendly and that everything is, you know, this is being destroyed. Yeah, like this. Okay. But you see, these ones don't move. I think that I will require some help to do it. I will try to pump air here. Okay, it didn't work, and I need to, in fact, I need to drain all of this, including the bottom ones. So now, as I see it, this tube leads to the bottom, the most bottom point of the whole system. It's symmetrical in one radiator and in another, and I hope it will help to drain all the liquid where I need. So I will close the unneeded parts, and I will try to spill as little liquid as possible. So this is it. I think I can't get more from the system, unfortunately. So I will totally move this one from here to here, because it's the only way to drain something, at least. So I hope. Or maybe the thing is that I've isolated it's not a loop anymore, so that's why I can pump the air and it moves only one way. If it would have been connected, then if I pump the air there, it also, I may also not been so successful. But also I will try to move it here. I don't lose anything, I think. So I've moved it. I needed to detach the tube to detach this fitting, but I think I'd better remove the whole GPU from here, and it would be much easier to remove the fitting from it. So for this water block, I have only one option. So this is in and this is out, and that's it. No other options. So if I will fail to place it here, so everything would be working, then I will be thinking about other options. Well, that's a good news. It has plenty of space for attaching the water cooling. That's marvelous. I'm so happy. So I will fix it now, but it may be temporary because I may require to move something here. And first of all, I will need to change this tube to a longer one. So this is why I should remove it instantly. So what I'm going to do is to attach much bigger than needed tube here, then attach back GPU, and then cut this tube for a necessary size. So there is one more purpose for this tube. I want to wash out the loop, so it won't have any, old pieces or something, so that new GPU won't be cluttered. Let's see if it is sealed. So I've pumped to something like 0.8. Oh, I see right now that the arrow goes down. Okay, I will leave it like this. I will try to seal here better. I found the problem. This is the adapter, so this one is not a whole thing. so I've accidentally detached it here. So now it should be fine, but I'll check it. Now I've switched on the power supply. I will be pouring the liquid here in the container, and it will be filling the system. And after this, after all will be filled with the new liquid, I will drain it again, because it should be only new one. Okay, pause. See. I'm being very cautious. See. Yes. See. It's going into chaos when you try to do all together. I don't want my pump to get dry. Okay. So as you can clearly see, this blue is much more blue than it was before. So I think that my previous cooling liquid was really old. It will work a bit, change all the liquid, mix everything, and after this I will drain it. And while my system loop is pumping liquid, I was trying to figure out what this cable means and what it does. You know, it looks like USB and it looks like USB. So I think it's fine to connect it like this. So plug in to the power supply here and plug in to the USB here. My motherboard is disconnected now. It's just the loop is working, so no power in the motherboard, only in the power supply. And you know, USB is safe to plug, so I did it now. I'll see what it means. Maybe it's some kind of control for this power supply. I will tell you later. Okay, I think that's it. I will now switch off the system and I will drain it Okay, that's it. Okay, it is back, but now I need to connect it to the tube. And I will be using this fitting here. Oops. And I will measure it like here with a bit more than I should to cut. Always cut, make it longer than you should. It is better than shorter than you should. Much better. It looks fine. It should hold the pressure and everything. So now I only have to connect the 5090 in its place. When you are using your GPU, first don't forget to remove this thing, and then look, it is in and it is out. So this is in, this is out, also as in my GPU here in 3090, in my old, I mean. So it's in, it's out. So that's good, because here it is out, and it should be right above the this port. And I will figure out now what is this cable, what does this cable means. This connects like here, like this, and this is an ARGB. Okay, I'll find if I have extra for this GPU. It won't be forever now, because I will need to make the tube of the right length here to to fix all the GPUs together. So to do it, I will be using just 2 straight fittings and a tube. That's it. Easy. First, I will close the unnecessary ports, this and this, on this GPU. It has 2 plugs for this. So enter is here. This one should be closed for out, because out would be here on the above. That is one-time thing, unfortunately. Next thing I want to fix here is fitting. This, maybe this one, or maybe this one. Oops. Some of the fittings has something like this, so I can easily fix it here. For this one I can use only my hand to tighten it, and we'll see if it really aligns first. No, it doesn't, but it's fine, I think. It can go like this, unfortunately, but yeah, it should. It's not ideally aligned, you see. I think it would be like this. Let's see. Come on. Yeah, looks fine. Yeah, and it should fit here. Fine too. But I think I will remove it again. Then I will fit this one here and fix it like this here. I should try to align them. I haven't used this, and it is a very important thing here. This thing doesn't look solid to me. This one is much better, but that's fine. I will try to do all I can. It is fine, I think. Yeah, I think I did what I could. Now we'll see in the end if it would be enough. And only after this I will now try to fix it in place. So EKWB is a bit more handy to use, I mean this one, than AlphaCool, but I obviously like AlphaCool, no offense, just facts. It's not long enough, unfortunately, so I will also change it. I think I will use this old one. It worked fine for me. I don't see any problem with the change of color. It happens with this material. So now everything is ready for testing, for the pressure testing. I've pumped 0.8 bars and we'll see. And I see it is falling. Somewhere is the leak. Here maybe. I can totally see the leak here, but where? I don't know. Meanwhile, it is 3:45 in the morning and I think there is no leak now because the arrow stays the same for 10 minutes already. So now I will fill the system with the coolant again, but for this time I will leave it switched on until all the bubbles will disappear. I think everybody knows this, but I will leave it like this, so nothing is connected, GPUs are not connected. So this is the safest way, I think, to leave it for the whole night or the rest of the night. And I won't, oh, again, see, no, I thought it may be, maybe I can disassemble it somehow. No, okay, so this, I haven't cleaned this, but I won't, I think. So now I will use more coolant, I will add it here and add it to the system. So again, the system is clear and easy. I'm adding coolant to the reservoir. Then I switch on the power supply and it will run the pump. And after the level will be lower, I will be adding more coolant. Now I will leave it with the maximum level possible, and also you should close the plug because I'm using EWKB liquid and it says that it shouldn't contact with air anytime ever. The lower it contacts the air, the better. When I will come back in a few hours, maybe in an hour, I'm not going to sleep now, I will add here some more of the liquid. Believe me, it will lower down. Fortunately, I have more of it to fill. You see it is already decreasing, so I will need more. You know, I can hear the sound of falling water somewhere in the system. And this is the sign that it is somewhere air in it. And to get rid of the air, you should like this. You try to change the position of the case like this and like this, and at some point the air will try to escape.